Ladies and gentlemen, ensure your phones are switched off and take your seats for the Punctuation Show.
Punctuation Show. Hello and welcome to the Punctuation Show. My name is Barry and today we're going to be talking about
verbs.
A verb is an action, a doing, or a being word. For example, Reginald ran home. The church was amazing. Now, the same verb can take different forms, and this will depend on how many people or things are doing it and when it happened. A sentence will normally contain at least one verb. For example, Harry broke a pencil. The verb in this sentence is broke because that's what Harry actually did. Ladies and gentlemen, it's your turn.
Which is the verb in this sentence? He wore shorts for work. Your time starts now!
That's right! Wore is what he did.
Remember.
Verbs are action, doing, or being words. They let us know what's happening.
Grammar Aquarium!
Oh, hey, not again. You're making the place look untidy. What is it now? We're all going on strike because of your rubbish jokes. Oh, that reminds me. This is a cracking joke, this one. Why did the sentence go on strike? I don't know. Why did the sentence go on strike? Because the verbs wanted to take action. I don't get it. It's obvious because a verb's an action word. Well, it's not even funny. What's wrong with you? It's a cracking joke. Get off.
Grammar Aquarium!
I said a verb is an action or a doing word. Everybody's talking about the verb. It lets us know the action that's being performed, and it helps keep the reader fully informed. It's all about being or doing words. You can relax cause you know it's a verb. Everybody's talking about the verb. I said everybody's talking about the verb. I said everybody's talking about the verb. I said everybody's talking about the verb. Everybody's singing and a dancing and a talking about the verb. The verb is all about the things that we do. So let's see if we can think of a few. Stop, look, listen, dance, sing and play. All verbs that we can do today. A verb said what the subject of a sentence does, and we can think of plenty without making a fuss. Everybody's talking about the verb. I said everybody's talking about the verb. I said everybody's talking about the verb. I said everybody's talking about the verb. Everybody's singing and a dancing and a talking about the verb. Don't forget to include the correct tense. If you want your sentences to make sense, the tense tells us when the action takes place, in the present, past, and future, whichever the case. I really must be quite insistent that the tense is always consistent. Everybody's talking about the verb. Everybody's talking about the verb. I said everybody's talking about the verb. I said everybody's talking about the verb. Everybody's singing and a dancing and a talking about the verb.
This is a robbery. Hand over all your verbs and no one will get hurt.
What on earth do you mean?
Just give me all your verbs and no one will get hurt.
Well, that's just silly. I can't physically give you verbs.
Why not, wise guy?
Well, because verbs are doing words and not objects or things.
What about practice?
As in dental practice, spelt with a C, that's a noun. The verb's spelt with an S.
Oh, well, what about post? That's a verb.
Use it in a sentence.
I'm going to collect the post. There.
It's a noun.
Block?
As in block of wood. Noun.
Display?
As in classroom display. That's a noun too. I really think you're in the wrong place, sir.
Why's that then, wise guy?
Because this is a coffee shop, sir.
And we'll see you next time.
Punctuation Show.